Hello dear kids, our today's subject is science and chapter name is things around us. There are number of things around us, either natural or man-made. So first point is natural things. So what do you mean by natural thing? The things they are found in nature. They are called as natural thing. And examples are air, water, plants, animals, rocks and soil, which are not made by man. They found in nature. The examples of natural things are plants, fruits and vegetables, sun, crops, sand, soil and rock. Our clothes too are made of different natural material such as cotton, silk, wool, and from this natural material man can make fibers such as rayon. Now example, cotton is a natural material and the cloths, towels which are made from this cotton are man-made. Next point is man-made things. Things which are made by humans, not found in nature, are called man-made things. For example, books, tables, toys and clocks. Now there are number of examples are given here, whether they are natural or man-made. First one is air. Air is natural thing. Insects are nothing but animals. They are also a natural. Spoon, chammach, it is a man-made thing. Clock, it is also a man-made thing. And sand, it is a natural thing. These are some examples of man-made things. The things which are made by humans, not found in nature, they are called as man-made things. For example, sweater, bag, table, laptop, frock, fan, etc. Next point is living things. What do you mean by living things? Things that have life in them. They are called as living thing. Living things can move. It means they go from one place to another place. They can grow. They need a food and water. They can breathe and can reproduce. Reproduce means अपने जैसे ही living things को बनाना. It means cat के baby को ही जन्म देती है. Humans baby को ही जन्म देते हैं, like that. Now see the example of living thing. First of all, seed. That seed grow into the plant, and when plant is bigger, it called a tree. It means living things can grow. वो बढ़ते हैं. Next example, first of all baby grow into child and again grow into a man or adult. It means that living things can grow. Next point is non-living things. Things that do not have life in them are called non-living things. It means जिसमें लाइफ नहीं होती है, they are called as non-living things. Now see, these are some features of non-living things. It means they cannot move, they cannot grow, they cannot breathe, cannot reproduce, and they do not need food and water. They are called as non-living things. Examples of non-living things are toys, umbrella, basket, table, chair. So these does not have a life in them. That's why they are non-living thing. Next point is all living things are natural things. For example, birds, animals, plants. These are living as well as natural things. It means they have a life in them, but they are natural. And non-living things can be either natural or man-made. Now see, non-living things are natural, which means that People don't make them. They are found in nature. See, the examples are water, air and rocks. These are natural and non-living things. They are found in nature, but they are non-living. It means they does not have a life in them. And second one, some non-living things are man-made, which means that they made by human. For example, car, buildings and clothes. These are man-made things as well as non-living things. It means they made by man and they does not have a life in them. Next point, different types of material. Man-made things are usually made from different materials. We get this material from both the things, living as well as non-living things. For example, wood, rubber, metals and plastic. So wood, it is used to make objects such as table, chair and pencils. Rubber is used to make objects such as balloons, tires, gloves and erasers. Metals are used to make objects such as utensils, ornament, cars and machines. Means bartan banana hai, jewelry. These are made from metals. The next one is plastic. Is used to make objects such as bottles, bucket, mug and combs. So these things are made by man. So we get this material from both the things, either living as well as non-living. So this is all about things around us.